Hi, in this video, we're going to be seeing some of the new features that we recently launched for ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. The first feature that we're going to be talking about is some of the GenAI capabilities powered by ChatGPT. With this integration, technicians will now be able to draft contextual replies, refine the grammar, or get summary of their tickets. This integration is also available as part of our Zia chatbot, and it is also available as part of Microsoft Teams. The second feature that we're going to be looking at is asset acknowledgement. When an asset is handed over to the user, it would be great if we can get some form of an acknowledgement from the user. You will now be able to do that in ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. When the asset is assigned, a notification can be triggered, to which the user can respond saying they have physically received the assets. The third feature that we launched is operational hours and special operational hours. As an administrator, you will be able to create operational hours for groups. This can be used to calculate SLAs in the application. You will be able to define operational hours either for entire weekday or for specific weekdays in the application. You can also define break hours and custom break hours. We have also brought in support for dynamic weekdays as well, meaning you will be able to configure operational hours for each working day individually in the application. Apart from these, we have also introduced Welsh language support. We have also brought in the option to export data from the request list view. Also, we have integrated with Good Day HRMS system, which is available as part of an extension in our marketplace. Thank you so much. See you in another video.
Hello everyone, good day. Welcome to this video where we are going to talk about what's new features that's released in ServiceDesk Plus on premises. There are a couple of features I wanted to share, and our first feature is going to be about asset booking. Using asset booking, users can now request or book asset online through the self-service portal. Next, we are going to discuss about chat channels that's introduced in the latest version. So chat channels would be similar to a collaborative channel where administrators or technicians can create channels during a major incident process where admins can pass on information to the entire user community or have a channel between the technician groups. The next feature we're going to talk about is Microsoft integrations with ServiceDesk Plus. In this feature, through Microsoft integration, you can have Home and Request tab operations allowed for users directly from Microsoft Teams. Now, users can perform operations such as doing approvals or accessing their tasks, whatever allowed privileges that they have directly from the Teams. The next feature we are going to discuss about is Zia's role and language support that we have introduced. So today, Zia supports English language. And in addition to that, we are now bringing Zia support for Spanish and Swedish speakers. In addition to that, whatever Zia predictions we have today, we can choose the target audience or the technicians who can validate Zia's predictions through the roles. Finally, we're going to talk about sub-entity and sub-forms. We have released custom modules in one of our versions, and now we have extended the custom module capabilities where you could build a sub-entity similar to tasks or work logs, and also you could build a lot of sub-forms within a web page. So this way, you could capture as much as information in a custom module, extending the operations similar to requests or change or problem module in ServiceDesk Plus. With this, we wrap up our What's New features for this month. Thank you.